Yes, you can pay it forward. It's really easy. It's fun to do. It's a nice thing to help other people out. Come on! Paying it forward is simple. It doesn't require much effort on your part. Sadly, most people are conditioned to be skeptical, even afraid of helping other people. Particularly people that look different than us, or people that maybe we don't even know. Today, in our fast-paced world and the demands of living life, it keeps us focused on our lives. And not everyone is living a self-sufficient life. So what's paying it forward? What makes an act of kindness a pay it forward act? And what can you do? Thankfully, paying it forward can become second nature. Helping other people, it's easy. And the reason for doing a good deed isn't so that you can get a pat on the back. It's helping someone else out and not doing it for any other reason, nothing more. So here's a couple of examples of paying it forward stories in our life. As you probably know, we moved aboard our sailboat many, many years ago. And when we moved aboard, we had no idea what in the heck we were doing. And people would help us. And to be honest, I'd feel kind of guilty when other people would take time out of their lives to help us with things that we were learning and doing while we were living aboard. And we'd been living aboard for many years. And one day we were just hanging out in the marina like people that, when they're cruising around, you get to know everybody and you just instantly become friends with people in the marina when you come in and spend time there. So we were hanging out, having some drinks and just laughing and telling our stories. And this young couple pulled into the marina. They were towed in because their boat was broken. They were really young. They were just getting started. They were so frustrated and they were giving up and they didn't know what to do. So the gal, she hung out with the ladies on the dock. And I said, well, let's come on in. Let's go have a look. I went down into his boat to the engine room. I saw the problem with the engine. It was no big deal. I fixed it for him, and I didn't think anything of it at the time. But then sometime later, it's like the light bulb went off, and I realized all those years that people had been helping me, I was slowly getting better and better and better at being a liveaboard, and I was the expert helping somebody else, and I didn't even realize what was happening at the time. It's just easy. It's just second nature. Real recently, somebody was having a problem with a YouTube channel. They were, they were just didn't know what to do. Bad things were happening. They didn't understand why. And I just thought, I've really got to help this person out. So I did what I could do. We couldn't solve that particular problem, but the person's able to move forward and keep doing what they want to do on their YouTube channel. And it's just when you have experience doing something, you just help other people out when you can. So if you have a friend that's wants to learn how to pay it forward, help them out. And if you have any questions, ask. We truly want you to pursue your self-sufficient life dreams. We want you living happy, living fun-loving, and living carefree. Live life doing it yourself.